Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Although if you're new here, I am delighted to meet you. I'm Jen and I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I've experienced radical healing on a carnivore diet and I can help you achieve abundant health and healing through diet too. Typically my diet is very simple, usually one ingredient plus salt and that is it. But every now and again, I like to get a little wild and try a new recipe. Join me today as we try to make carnivore chicken fingers. I've got 1.5 pounds of chicken here. We're gonna use some pork cracklings, some carnivore crisps, chicken breast flour, some Pluck organ blend, 2 eggs, and a little bit of Redmond real salt. I run the pork cracklings through the Ninja so they get nice and crumbly. And here's the problem. I ate most of the bag before I started this, so I didn't have many left. This is all I was left with. Oopsie. I preheated the air fryer while I was getting all the chicken ready. Then I put my eggs in one bowl and all my dry ingredients in another. I used 1/4 cup of crushed pork rinds, 1/4 cup of chicken flour, 1/4 teaspoon of Pluck seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I mixed all the dry ingredients together, mixed up the eggs, and then dipped each piece of chicken in the egg and then in the dry mixture. Once fully coated, I placed each piece of chicken on the grill of the air fryer. Here's a little bit of a closer look. You can see I have a lot of chicken left and no more dry ingredients. That's because I ate all those pork rinds before I crushed them. Here's a fun fact about me. I generally hate chicken breast. Any white meat, I think it's dry and gross and I do not like it, unless it's cooked perfectly. So today we're gonna use a thermometer the whole time it's cooking so I can take it out the second it hits 165 and not overcook it. I set the air fryer for 450 degrees for 5 minutes. After just 2 minutes, we're already up to 122 degrees. Dang, this is heating up fast, and I'm only trying to get it to 165. The 5 minutes literally just ended, and look, it's perfect. It's 165 degrees right now, so I guess they're done. Oh my goodness, these look so good. Seriously, look at these. I mean, I wouldn't even bat an eye before serving these to a non-carnivore, only I would probably give them some dipping sauce or something. They look great, right? Let's see how they turned out. Nice and juicy and moist. I'll be honest, it's no dark meat, but it's some of the best white meat I've ever had. And the crust gives it a nice crunch. I think the addition of the pork cracklings was a very good choice. If you liked this, let me know in the comments, and I'd love it if you would like and subscribe, and catch up with me on Instagram where we can connect every day.